The past simple. We use the past simple to talk about things that happened in the past. Was and were are the past forms of be. We use was and were to describe people and things in the past. I, she, he, it, plus was. You, we, they, plus were. Positive. It was hot yesterday. He was at home last night. We were bored yesterday. They were at home last night. Negative. It wasn't hot yesterday. He wasn't at home last night. We weren't bored yesterday. They weren't at home last night. Questions and short answers. Was it hot yesterday? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. Was he at home last night? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Were you bored yesterday? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Were they at home last night? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Where was she born? Why were you sad? How was it? Where were you? The baby was born last year. Alvin and Helen were on holiday last year. They were in London. He was sick last month. He was hospitalized for 3 days. With regular verbs, the past simple ends in ed. Positive. They stayed in Berlin in 2015. Negative. They didn't stay in Berlin in 2015. Questions and short answers. Did they stay in Berlin in 2015? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. What did she do? Where did you stay? How did they go? When did they get home? He went fishing last week. He only caught a fish. She didn't have dinner at home. She had it in a restaurant. He watched a 3D movie last night. It was great. What did you do last weekend?